Welcome to our tutorial about appearance control. First, I'm going to undock the standard toolbar. Let's look at the display tool first. There are three types of display available in the drop-down menu. This one is a wireframe. Next is hidden edge display. And the last is called shaded display. Next, we have to choose between an orthographic or a perspective view. The next tool controls shadow. Here's no ground shadow. Here's a ground shadow. And this one is an X-ray ground shadow. As well, we can specify the material from this drop-down menu. And this concludes our tutorial about appearance control.